At one point or another, pretty much everyone worries about how to do a confident presentation. I want to share with you the very best advice that I have ever received when it comes to speaking in front of a crowd. But you may be wondering, so what's up with the outfit? Why are you wearing that? This is my secret weapon when it comes to absolutely conquering the fear of public speaking. If you want to eliminate the anxiety you feel when everyone's staring at you, then you're going to want to keep watching. One thing you may not know about me is I used to be a dancer, a Mexican folkloric dancer, and I did it for 8 years. Another thing you may not know is I'm an introverted person, so sometimes just being around people, it's too much. And being the person in front of the room that everybody's watching, yeah, I don't enjoy that. And you may think that once you've danced in front of a crowd of people, you wouldn't be scared of standing in front of a room, but you'd be wrong. You see, there is a difference between dancing on stage and speaking in front of a room. The first thing you need to understand is when you're on stage, you're not the only one up there. You're there with a group of people. So not all eyes on you, they're on everybody. The attention is shared. When you're on stage and you're nervous, you can use that energy. You can put it into your moves and into your steps, and it just comes out even better. But when you're speaking in front of people, that's not the same thing. When you're speaking in front of other people and you're nervous, that nervous energy is going to constrain your throat, and it's going to make it much more difficult to speak. In fact, you're probably going to be speaking a lot faster. You might even get a higher pitched voice. The second thing that nervous energy is going to do, it's going to make you shake, right? And let me tell you, if you're shaking and you're talking fast, people are going to notice. So my advice is to get a Superman outfit. This advice came from my dancing instructor. He told me when he was in college and he had to give a presentation, he wore his Jalisco Charro outfit. He told me that his reasoning was this. You know, even though I've been dancing for many years, I don't feel comfortable doing it just anywhere, any day. You know, I can't just go out in the middle of the street and just dance on the sidewalk or anything like that. But when I put on this outfit, I know that I'm the man. When I'm wearing this suit, I know that people are going to cheer for me. When I'm up there on stage, whether it's I'm dancing or I'm on the MC, getting the crowd excited with the gritos or the jokes, I know that when I step down at the end of the show, I'm going to get compliments and people are going to want to take pictures with me. I tried it out myself and I tell you it works. So I advise that you get your own Superman outfit. Now, I'm not saying that you need to go out and get a costume. Not at all. Your Superman outfit should be something that you've worn before. Something that you know you look good in. It doesn't have to be an entire outfit. You know, it could be a suit. It can. But not necessarily that. Sometimes it could be an accessory. It could be a certain tie. It could be a watch. It could be a pair of shoes. Just something that you know that when you wear, people are going to notice and they're going to compliment you. The thing is, when you know you look good, you're going to be too busy being captivating than to be nervous when you're speaking. Now, for the second piece of advice I have for you, this is more important than the Superman suit. I'm talking about the 2 P's, prepare and practice. Now, you can look as good as you want, but if you don't know what you're going to say and how you're going to say it, you're not going to do very well. I started a YouTube channel so I can improve my speaking skills. At the beginning, I wasn't worried about growth. I wasn't worried about subscribers and views. All I was worried about is improving my communication skills. Another thing that you can do to prepare yourself to do a public speech is just watch others do it. Now, you can watch YouTube videos and see what works, what doesn't, you know, what kind of style you enjoy and what you don't. But what I recommend is actually watch people do it live on stage. There's going to be an event at the end of August. It's called Video Marketing War. There's going to be a bunch of YouTubers going there. I'm talking about Brian G. Johnson, Roberto Blake, Nick Nimmin. This is a workshop event and there's going to be some fantastic advice, but what I want to advise you to do is, if you attend, pay close attention to how they speak. There's going to be a difference of how they speak to a camera versus how they speak to you. So if you've ever considered starting a YouTube channel, this is a perfect workshop to go to. They're going to have some amazing advice on how to grow YouTube channels and other things too. Not just that, business ideas, just really good advice. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can check it out, see if it's something for you. It is only up to 500 people. So once the tickets are gone, they're gone. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, then make sure to share it with at least one other person so that this information doesn't get lost amongst the other millions of YouTube videos. And if you don't only want to look good, but you want to be captivating, then make sure after you subscribe to ring that bell so you can be alerted of when I have new ideas to share with you.